Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make Keto Reuben Casserole. Hey guys, welcome to Low Carb with Jennifer. If you've never watched one of my videos before, I help home cooks make family-friendly keto meals. So today we're making this Reuben casserole, and I grew up on Reubens. I don't know about you, but if you didn't, this is all of the flavors that are in a Reuben sandwich. We're going to start off with the sauce. And to start off, we've got half a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to add everything to this bowl for the sauce. We've got 4 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup, 2 tablespoons of minced white onion. Okay, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar-free sweetener. This is, you can use Lakanto or Swerve or any sweetener that is a 1-for-1 substitution for sugar. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and 2 teaspoons of Dill Pickle Relish. So that's all we need for our sauce. So I'm just going to stir this up. This is, you could actually consider this like a special sauce, you know, like a keto version of Thousand Island dressing. So if you need a Thousand Island dressing recipe, here you go. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna start to assemble our casserole. Okay, for the casserole, we've got 1 pound of deli sliced corned beef and we just chopped it up into smaller pieces. So I'm gonna layer that in the bottom of this casserole dish, and I've already sprayed this casserole dish with cooking spray. Okay, now we're gonna layer on 1 cup of drained sauerkraut. You can use whatever brand is your favorite, and then just make sure and drain it so there's no, it's not liquidy. Sauerkraut is essential to a Reuben. Don't skip it. Okay, now we're going to spread our sauce on top. Goodness, this looks amazing. And our final ingredient is 2 cups of shredded Swiss cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top. Okay, this is ready for the oven. It's gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, we've got our Keto Reuben casserole out of the oven. I'm gonna cut it into 6 servings. Serve some onto this plate. So 1 serving of this is only 3 net carbs. Let's get a taste. Get some of that corned beef in there, and of course the sauce. Oh, it's so good. Tastes just like a Reuben sandwich. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Make sure you check out this other video for Keto Hamburger Helper. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.